Hello all. I'll be making this video to explain to you the links and the assignment thing over here. Uh, Everything go back to this academic auto count. If you click on this, you will go and access your materials, right? These are the materials that can be used for you to do your lab work, right? From chapter 1 to chapter 9, it's the lab work. Chapter 10 is your assignment, right? So let me go to this link over here. So over here, you should register, and if you use this link, if you registered, you will use this one to perform the task from chapter 1 to chapter 9 accordingly, all right? So chapter 10, which is your assignment, you will receive an email, something like this, all right? So hi, your name here, and you are invited to take this here to assignment. So click into here, ready to load. Over here, there's no special instructions. You have 62 days left to do this. Click view questions. It's the same, right? It's the same question. Like it's the same chapter 10. Okay, how do you start this one? Click on this start assessment. You will be automatically brought to the auto count system, and you'll be using this link over here. Over here, you see I already created the company. If just in case if you created the company, you can just delete. All right, if you what's it? ID delete, right? So you should start with new company, create new company, and select the appropriate task for following this one, right? You need to select the plan. You need to be pro free. You see anything? Malaysia. Accounting. Just click next. Company name, this one. You want it to be this. Paste it to here. Check the date. Okay. You need the tax system. You need to explore here below. Apparently, they didn't tell you whether you need a tax system or not. But by default, let's just leave it as it is. Next, review and confirm. All right, then you have, it's the same, right? It's the same like you did when you create your practice. Okay, open the company. Close this. So what to do over here? You can see this is basically the information of the previous year, right? So you see this one, right? The instruction is very clear. By referring to the information, the following information, set up your chart of account, the opening balance, and stock value, right? So as usual, follow up the task. Then over here is the supplier and the customer opening balance. And then over here is the setting of the number formatting. Can go through from the course over here, number formatting. Basically, if you try all 1 to 9, you will know what to do over here. All right, you will not get lost. I will not go through with you So they are similar, right? They are similar. To record the following entry relates to the customer. I just discussed with you here a bit. Description, this is sales. If you see this one with the number, over here should be automatic lah. All right, if you set the numbering format accordingly, over here should be automatic. Then this is the payment, and then there's the return, and then there's another return. All right, if you know them. These are the supplier related transactions, and over here is the cash book. These are all very easy. I think it's the easiest. It's just for January, right? It is just for January transactions. And then you got the journal entries for January. Then was wrongly entered for the entry. There's some interesting event over here. Then there's the value stock as at 31st. Then do the bank reconciliation. And finish. So once you have done everything over here, you have did everything, close this, and then over here you can see if you start means you want to continue, all right? You want to continue your assessment, you click over here. Click over here, you can enter into your database again, all right? So once you finish, you can just click submit answer and then click save. All right. So just in case if you want to redo again, then you can go and revoke the answer. But I say it's so easy. You know, you can just do it in the team with your friend together at the same time and do this work. That's all. Huh? That's all from me. You have this 3 link over here, right? And this one over here just really want to clarify with you, right? Really want to clarify with you. If you can see the link over here, this is AutoCount, accounting.autocountcloud.com. Over here is ce.autocountcloudaccounting.com. All right, when I revoke, you can revoke back and then you can start answer again. Can you see the link is slightly off different? All right. This one is assignment. Okay. This one is your lab work. That's all from me.